Hello and welcome. This is Linda Varnam of Chanvar Yoga Qigong. The hands are beautifully energetic. We use the hands for both giving, receiving, for communicating. In the yoga, you'll often see the hands in the positions during the meditation, the various positions. These are very energetic, and we can experience each position quite differently once we're attuned to this energy of the Hasta Mudras or hand mudras. Let's try just a couple of these mudras and see what your experience is. Very simple. We can place the palms up on the front thighs. Take a moment to breathe and just feel the energy of the hands in the open and receiving position of palms up. Try that right now. Sit comfortably and upright, palms up. You can close your eyes or lower your gaze and simply breathe. Bring your attention to the palms of the hands and any sensation in the palm of the hand. Now, without disturbing your focus, turn the palms down. Bring the palms down on the front thighs and notice in that moment the difference in the sensation or energy in your body. Palms down can often be very grounding, and this is one of my favorite positions of the hands, just to bring me back to being centered and grounded when I feel a little scattered. Now bring the hands together in the lap, the one hand resting inside the other, and the thumbs just gently touching. Notice again if there's a different feel of the energy. So bring the hands together in the meditation mudra or the dhyana mudra. Now open your eyes, lift your gaze, and release your hands. Let them sit in any position that just feels natural and easy. Did you notice any difference in the feel, the hand positions in your experience? Simply changing the hand position and in that short meditation, it can be very interesting to explore the energy of the hands. If you'd like to know more about bringing these wonderful mind body practices into your daily life on a regular basis in a very easy and manageable way, join me for the daily 10 minute. You can find out more about the daily 10 minute at www.chanvar.com.